Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here again. Another tip here I wanted to show you real quick on our trailer rigs and truck rigs, pretty much everything we do and build now. We put a ball valve, three-way valve down here. It's a banjo valve, and this allows us to switch the water from filling the tank to a garden hose right here. So if we need to fill up a bucket, we need an eye wash station, need to put a little pressure, rinse off the truck, you know, whatever we need a little bit of water for versus using a drain hose or whatever, we can do that using this, and I'll show you how it works here in just a second. So the way the ball valve works is we have, right now it's set where the water is coming in off of our garden hose reel right here, and it's coming to the ball valve, and so it's set now to where it's filling the tank. I don't know if you can see the tank, how it's moving, but if I wanted to switch it, let's say this is full, I'm on a job site or whatever, I need some water to fill up a 5-gallon bucket or something, I can do that, and I just simply switch this over to this way. Got a little leak, and now I've got, you know, great water and pressure, everything. Same thing that you're getting off the house or the property or whatever that you're using. And so I got a couple of different nozzles that we use, and I can show you how that works in just a second. Alright, so this is the type of nozzle we usually just kind of leave on the hose. This is a fireman's type nozzle. You can get it at Home Depot or Lowe's. And I like it because it's adjustable. It'll shoot a straight stream if we need it. But the reason I really like it is that I can dial it down to almost like a little soaker if I want to. Just fill up a bucket. Let's say you've got a bucket that's got some soap in it and you don't want a lot of suds coming up, so you can use this one and just lightly fill it up versus having a lot of pressure where it's going to create a lot of air and a lot of suds. The other one that we use is this one. I've had this thing for about 10 years. It's the best nozzle I've ever had. If you've got good water pressure, we've actually used this nozzle for rinsing houses that we just used the dedicated pump for back in the old days. But you get a lot of pressure off of this thing, especially if it's hooked directly up to a water source. But that's the two nozzles that we carry around and use for this type of ball valve setup, switching from the tank to the garden hose. So it's just a nice little feature, a nice little handy thing to have. It's a banjo valve. You can get those off of Amazon. We've got them in stock. You can buy them from us. Doesn't matter to me. So if you have any questions on it, just let me know. The one that I have is a 1-inch, and we have to reduce it down to the 3/4 barbs for our hoses to the hose reel and that type of thing. So if you have any questions on it, just let me know. I'll do a quick little walk around on this trailer real quick before we sign off on this video. I'll do a little run through on this on another video. I actually have a booster pump in there that I'm testing out. Still running through it. Not totally sold on them, but just thought I'd give y'all a little sneak preview of this little trailer. It's my favorite trailer. Hey guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, ask me a question, give me a comment. Would love to hear from you guys, any questions that you might have. Appreciate y'all tuning in, and if I can help you, just ask me a question down below.